Silk was one of Lyon's major industries back to the 15th century, weaving and printing, peaking in the 19th century when the city was the silk capital of the world. Jean Brochier opened his own shop in 1890, and it's been in operation ever since. Normally, their workshop tours require prior reservations, but they were kind enough to give us a private tour on the spot, starting from baking their colors. Selecting the combination of base colors and thickening it with guar gum to the desired viscosity so that it applies smoothly. The designs are printed onto screens stretched onto frames, numbered and cataloged, a different frame per color of the design. Flat frame printing is an early 20th century Lyonnaise invention. Previously, patterns were carved onto hard wood and laminated into blocks. The inked block was stamped onto the silk, one block per color of the design. 16th century Lyonnaise imported plates from India, and later designs were made of metal bands pressed into the wood. Brochier has a library of over 12,000 different woodblock designs, ranging from 200 to 100 years old. In flat frame printing, the frame is notched into a guide, ink is poured, and squeegeed onto the silk twice, then repeated down the line. Brochier has 3,000 frames in their library and is the last workshop in France using this traditional manual process. Lyonnaise uses the same technique, but is 100% automated. The fresh dried scarf is dark and stiff from the gum used in the ink. Washing the scarf brightens the color and makes it smooth as, well, silk. Modern screens are made of polyester because silk stretches. This scarf was printed on an 80-year-old silk screen, and you can see the gaps in the colors. The polyester screen will never have that problem. Flat frame and woodblock aren't the only techniques that are used at Brochier. Long reams of silk have hand-painted designs. And they also hand-paint onto velvet. The tour was free, but of course we had to browse their shop. And Vic found a gorgeous, flat frame printed scarf for a fraction of the price of an Hermes.